Last summer at Camp Okefenokee, the ratio of the number of boy campers to girl campers was 8 to 7. If there were a total of 195 campers, meaning boy and girl campers, how many of each type of camper were there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 boxes total. So we need to split 195 into 15 equal groups. 15 goes into 19 one time, and we have 4 left over. Then we bring down our 5. 15 fits into 45 3 times, and we have none left over. So each box is going to get 13. Now we need to figure out how many boy campers there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets of 13. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 more makes 10. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of 13. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 more makes 9.